Hi friends, let me show you my new SUNDAREE car charger. As you can see, it's for the lighter of my car. And the interesting thing is that it has 4 ports, 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As. USB-As for 18 watts, USB-Cs for 30 watts. You can charge up to 4 accessories while you're on a road trip with your kids, with your wife. You need to charge 2 or 3 telephones, mobile phones, a tablet, whatever. Well, this is a nice, small, it's a really nice black finish charger. It's rather small when you install it, and you get all this power out of this charger. So I think it's a nice addition for any car. You can have this in your car's compartment, and in an emergency, if you travel far away or whenever you need charging something, whenever you need to charge something, you can use this nice charger. Let's try it.